Ladies and gentlemen, always remember, before jacking up your vehicles, always wheel chalk. Emergency brake. You're ready to go. So my wife likes asking me and questioning me about my methods of mechanicisms. She asked me, how do you know that the hub bearing is messed up? How do you know that? And it's just really simple. If you tug forward and backwards, and if it moves, then it's shot to shit. But this one don't move because I just replaced it last year.
Stop, Daddy.
What's up, dude? But this one I have not. And this one, it's shot to shit. That's how you can tell, baby. After you remove the tire, you remove the caliper. After you remove the caliper, you remove the screw. After you remove the screw, you remove the disc. After that disc is this jerk. Ooh, jerk. Watch what we got for you. I got a pal. My pal Douglas. See that? Douglas. Dougie first. See that, Dougie first? We're gonna replace you. Out with you. And don't forget your little helper all the time. What you got right there, buddy? Oh my God. See what we're doing, Dad? So after you put the hub bearing back on, then you put the disc back on, then you put the brake assembly back on. Then put the tire back on. After you put on that tire, right arrows, you remove a bolt of the jack stand. And then you let her down real nice. Nice and slow, baby. Easy good. After you drop the car, you remove the wheel chock. Then voila. It is finished. Finito. Release the baby. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Release the baby. Bye. Oh, you want to go work on the car? All right, buddy. High five. That's what I'm talking about.
It's time to go, Arrow.
What's up, Aries?